move on to the next round. Phil Bouchard and Storm Damage Racing against Monster Mud Dalmatian and Jen Olivia. Who's going to get across that finish line and move on to the next round? Storm Damage, Phil Bouchard moves on to the next round. Team Max D currently with those 8 points already. Max D behind just a little bit. Wildflower representing for Rosalie Banger's team. Getting some air over the pond, coming down that back straightaway. As they get ready to head into the last turn. Who's it going to be? Carson Butler, been racing for 20 years, coming to us from South New Jersey. Great Clips Mohawk Point representing that team. Andre Driscoll coming out the back straightaway. Great Diggers out on top. Here comes Great Clips Mohawk. We're an inside turn. Keep it tight. Great Digger, Carson Butler moves on to the semifinals.
Last pair on this obstacle course is going to be Hurricane Force for the head against Todd Fox.
This is our last matchup of round number 1. Watch for those lights to go green. Up on top of the pond, only one more driver can move on to the semifinals. They've got to know how to take those turns just right and be able to keep all 4 tires on the dirt and accelerate across the pond. Clearing the pond, ATV riders for our last match of Hurricane Force in the orange. Time flies in the black jersey. Who's going to get it? Back to back. DJ Hall and Hurricane Force moves on to the semifinal round. And as you can see on the leaderboard, we have our final 4 competitors for the ATV obstacle course. Storm Damage in the first match racing against Max D right here. Only one of those drivers will move on to the next round. Our second matchup, Grave Digger racing against Hurricane Force.
4 competitors remain, and this is the final semi-round of the ATV obstacle course competition.
This is the ATV Obstacle Course Final. The winner of this race will earn 8 points towards the overall event championship. Let's meet our ATV Obstacle Course Finals contenders. First up is Phil Bouchard racing for Storm Damage. And in the other lane, it'll be PJ Hall, Hurricane Force. Only one of these riders will be able to earn 8 points towards that overall event championship as they get back on their ATVs. Having some final words to each other as they step